Hi, Maria. Thank you so much for visiting our booth in IFA Show 2025. We're so happy to have you here to showcase your ELEGOO With Her projects. So would you mind to introduce a bit about yourself and also the project you do with the...
Thank you. Thank you so much for having me here. Like, it's really an honor to be here at your beautiful display. And like, I was a goldsmith. Now I work for theater and costume design and
Yeah.
prototyping for different designs. And yeah, this is my design I did. I try to like combine somehow manual work with new technology like your 3D printing. And I really use a lot of 3D printing for creating models like this that you can plate later with silver coating or like electroplating or casting it in silver.
Yeah.
And I use 3D printing basically to make like prototypes and small series or like the whole shape to make it later in the final material. Right?
Yeah, we really love the idea and the creation you bring to us.
Yeah.
So would you mind to talk about how does ELEGOO's products and also the brand itself to help you through the whole progress of creating your beautiful, beautiful sweat and tears?
I mean, it was really helping me just getting to know to a new printer, to the fast work, because it's really working fast, this printer, and using a printer that is like going up and down like this. That was really, I think, improvement for handling and stuff. And I really I mean, I use it basically for everything, and ELEGOO helped me like just to discover more people that can help me with my problems that I encountered more with the design, not with the printing process, but people telling you how you can implement it more and giving you new ideas and how you can like make it better somehow, and how to come a little bit forward with the techniques and how to improve my designs to make the outcome even more beautiful. And also like using different materials, what was really also nice to get to know to that. Yeah.
I think this is what we wanted to do with the ELEGOO With Her program, like the support by each others and to inspiring each other's more for the model creation.
No, and it was really nice to meet all of the mentors that are really encouraging, and all of ELEGOO team were really encouraging and really making us feel good and not to give up in the last because sometimes everything goes wrong, but you could not give up. And also the nice people I met thanks to ELEGOO. Like, I really made a lot of nice contacts, and it really gave me some confidence, like to go on with my work and to like go out a little bit more and to present stuff. So thanks a lot.
Thank you so much for bringing this such a beautiful princess.